Investors are often looking at alternate cryptocurrencies to make considerable profits by trading in and out of them. However, aspiring traders and investors should always be aware that the market heavily depends on one cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. In this video, we'll explain why Bitcoin has so much influence on the other cryptos. Welcome back to Ark Lifestyle. This channel is the one to be subscribed to for the hottest and most insightful content. Let's get started. If you've been following the cryptocurrency market, you might have noticed by now that every time Bitcoin's price goes down, alternative cryptocurrency prices, commonly called altcoins, follow. The opposite is equally true. When the price of Bitcoin rallies, we expect altcoins to go up in price shortly after. But why does this happen? What makes Bitcoin so important that an entire industry follows it so closely? If we made the parallel to stock markets, it would be ludicrous to think all of the NASDAQ would crash just because of the Microsoft stocks. For instance, Bitcoin was the first. Being the pioneer in this new industry has put a lot of weight on Bitcoin's shoulders over the years. However, this has also allowed the original cryptocurrency to cement itself as a sure store of value, increasing its popularity to astronomical levels. No matter what anyone says, Bitcoin was the coin that put cryptocurrencies into the mainstream. The seemingly simple concept behind Bitcoin caught on with the general public, driving its price to the coveted $50,000 plus levels we are seeing today. It paved the way for an entire industry, and today almost anyone involved in crypto owns at least some Bitcoin. Worth noting is that, to this day, Bitcoin is the only crypto whose creator has remained completely anonymous. Many altcoins are just Bitcoin clones. As a direct result of its increasing popularity and value, we saw a proliferation of Bitcoin clones during the years after its release. For instance, the first altcoin to see mainstream adoption, Litecoin, uses a copy of the Bitcoin code with the goal to become a lighter and faster version of the original. Many other such clones exist, such as Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin Diamond, and dozens more. While each one tries to become a better version of Bitcoin, most of the time they just follow its lead. Bitcoin has the most secure network. Bitcoin is based on a proof-of-work mechanism that is ensured by more than 18 million miners participating in Bitcoin's decentralized network, the blockchain. This volume of participants has an effect of a high level of decentralization of the network, ensuring flawless security of the Bitcoin payment system. Many investors regard it as a reserve currency for cryptocurrencies. Because of its pioneering status, investors often consider Bitcoin as the reserve currency of the cryptocurrency market, similar to the US dollar in the global stock markets. Furthermore, many cryptocurrency trading platforms do not propose crypto-to-fiat trading due to the compliance and regulatory measures of their countries. As such, a large number of investors initially invest in Bitcoin to trade it for altcoins and to try and make profits thereafter. Most pure crypto traders never even compare altcoins' prices to fiat currencies. Instead, they compare their value to BTC as it's the market pair that matters the most to them. As such, it's completely understandable to see the entire market prices drop when Bitcoin's market sentiment plummets. Bitcoin is the original cryptocurrency that jump-started the entire industry. This pioneering status has enabled it with a multi-billion user base, which in turn helped skyrocket its price and provide the most secure network in the ecosystem. It's important to understand that Bitcoin often has the final word when it comes to market sentiment. Experienced traders and investors always check Bitcoin before buying or selling their altcoin position. Hopefully, our video has managed to give some light on the reasons behind this phenomenon. Well, that brings us to the end of today's video, all about how all coins follow Bitcoin. What are your thoughts on how Bitcoin affects the market so drastically and the reasons behind it? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed today's episode and found it interesting, make sure to leave us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Ark Lifestyle to be kept up to date with the most insightful content as soon as it's uploaded. Thanks for watching. See you again in another video.